Wowtac sent me another light, and actually this light has been out for a while. This is the Wowtac A1s. It's comparable to like ThruNight's TN12 2014 and 16 edition. It's got two switches, of course, the main switch in the back and the mode button up front. There's some fairly unique things about it. Number one is their battery that they supply with this. Battery on this is incredibly good. I've had every Wowtac flashlight they've made, and they supply these same batteries with them. They charge through the charging port up on the end there, run the micro USB cable into it, which is supplied with this. And this 3400 milliamps is fairly accurate. From what I've seen on these batteries, they get the job done. They are an incredible battery. Yes, you have to take this flash battery out of the flashlight to charge it. And I do think that keeps the cost down, having the circuitry at the top of the battery. You get a good battery. Now, as far as the light, like I said, here's a ThruNight TN12. And if you notice, size-wise, tail cap and switch, other than the ThruNight, got the rubber on here, and this is aluminum. They're pretty much about the same. Now, this TN12 is 1150 lumens as well on turbo. This specific light is a cool neutral white version. The Kelvin on it, if you can see there. I'm going to turn the ThruNight on. Eventually, I'm going to do a good comparison on neutral versus cool white, but I kind of like this neutral. Modes on this Wowtac, no frills, turn on and go light. You got your rear tail switch, which you can half press to turn it on, or you turn it on, and I do believe that is the lowest mode. We're going to go out and get some good beam shots of it. But the lowest mode, 24 lumens for 6 days. Every Wowtac I've had beautiful runtime. Medium, 140 lumens for 18 hours. And high, 460 lumens for 5 hours straight. And this does not get hot. And then turbo, 1150 lumens, 3 hours of runtime on this light. And it does have memory. Wherever you shut it off, it's back on. You know, no 3 minutes on and this drops down at 1150 lumens. It's always there. Very good, tight beam. Very usable light. If you were to hold it, you go to strobe. Next mode, you're going to go into SOS. And then back to the lowest mode. I'd call these a work light. As you can see here, I've used that TN12 forever, and it has beat the heck. If anybody doesn't know, Wowtac is technically supported by ThruNight. And as far as accessories, you're going to get your belt clip, 2 O-rings, and then a micro USB charger. Now, one thing I want to bring up, this light does, if the battery starts going dead, it'll flash twice to let you know ahead of time. And I really like that. I mean, yeah, you can have visual red LED shining and stuff like that, but works quite well. What do you say we go out and get some beam shots done of it? Like I said, eventually I'm going to do a comparison video between cool white and neutral light on flashlights, but keep in mind, this one is neutral white. I got my lux meter 4 meters away. We're going to take this Wowtac and shine it at it and calculate the throw, see if we can get a couple 100 meters out of it. Camera's in manual, so it's not adjusted to the light. That's on the highest mode. Let's see what it is. All right, that was 570 lux times 4 meters squared is 16, divided by the brightness of the moon, 36,480. So we're going to take the square root of that, 36,480, and I come up with about 191 meters of throw. Not too bad out of that well-priced light. Just a hair under 200 meters, so. All right, first up is we're going to do a tree at 62 meters away with the Wowtac. And right there is on high. It hits that tree absolutely no problem. Look at that. That is 62 meters away. Moving down, behind this clump of brush that I'm going to cut eventually. That's a tree at 94 meters. And in the back there, that whole group of trees is ranging from about 140 all the way up past 190 way down in there. And as you can see what's going on down there in that field if there's an animal. So this thing reaches out easily that 190. That hillside up there, you're pushing over 200 meters quite easily. Quite a good job. And long battery. We're going to go step it down. Got the sun coming up, so I got to hurry up here. That was low, now medium, and I do believe that is high. Second lowest setting, third lowest, and then there would be medium and high. Pretty awesome. All right, I got some truck headlights going on here with my high beam on. We're going to take this Wowtac out and just give you an idea compared to vehicle headlights. That's on high. Easily drowns out vehicle head. Truck headlights, Wowtac. Truck headlight, the Wowtac. Pretty awesome. Well priced. We're going to go to a closer range. I'm going to turn this Wowtac down onto a lower mode. Actually, I do believe that's the lowest mode. Remember, this is a neutral white. Gives off like a yellowish tint. But it picks that up pretty good. Them sleds right there are probably about 18 meters away. And there's that next mode up. More than enough to go out in your yard and see what's going on. And there's high. Look at that. Pretty awesome, huh? We're going to step through the mode. That's the lowest mode. Next mode up. Next mode up. There's high. Pretty awesome. Like these. Build quality and the price. Can't go wrong. Alright, there you go. The Wowtac A1s. Very well priced. High quality light. Gets the job done. Great modes on it. Easy to use. A slender flashlight to slide in your pocket. You go check that check their website out on Wowtac. I've been impressed since day one on these lights. There you go. Till the next time.